Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my special Q&A series on YouTube. Today I'm answering the question how to get to Negril Jamaica. Alright, so how to get to Negril Jamaica, the capital of casual. and by the way, we say capital of casual for good reason. Negril has some of the nicest beaches, the funnest entertainment and parties, the best sunsets anywhere in the world. Alright, yeah, but how to get to Negril though, I'm assuming first that you're actually outside of Jamaica, and if you're outside of Jamaica to get here, there are primarily two ways: by air or sea. Now Negril doesn't have a cruise ship port, and so the most logical way to get here is via air. Now we have two major international airports here, the Sanchez International Airport and the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. So the Sanchez is in Montego Bay and the Norman Manley International Airport is in Kingston. However, I would recommend Montego Bay first, because Montego Bay is actually, it's just about 80 kilometers from Negril, and it's on the same side of the island. Kingston, the capital city, is about 218 kilometers away from Negril. So I would recommend Montego Bay first, for obvious reasons. Now if you come to when you come to Montego Bay, you have a couple options. You can get to Negril via shuttle service. And by the way guys, usually your hotel or resort is willing and able to make arrangements for you. So if you're staying in Negril, your hotel or resort usually has some sort of transportation to get you down. Outside of those, there are authorized taxi operators always at the airport. The Juta, J-Cal, Maxi are three of the most popular ones, and they always have members willing and ready to take you down. We have Knutsford Express, and they have routes into Negril, through Negril now from Montego Bay as well. So you have multiple options. I would recommend though that whichever option you choose or decide to choose, make sure you take care of that. You plan that out first so that you have a seamless transition when you get here. If you prefer Kingston though, still no problem. I would say you get an opportunity to see the south coast, right? So while you're driving across, you get to experience the beauty of the south coast and get an opportunity to eat perhaps some peppered shrimp. Peppered shrimp at Middle Quarters. Make sure you stop and get that. And some fried fish and bami at Border. Alright? Ask for Betty, my aunt there. She sells fried fish and bami. Alright, no. Okay, so that's that. So if you're going through Kingston, you get an opportunity to go through the south coast as well. Now, we also have a couple domestic airlines. Team Air and Airlink are two of the popular ones that you have the option as well. When you get to the international airport, which is Montego Bay or Kingston, you have the option to book to use them to get to Negril as well, because we have an aerodrome in Negril. So those are your options: Kingston or Montego Bay. Montego Bay first, it's nearer, and then you have shuttle service, taxi services that takes you down both Montego Bay and Kingston. And you also have the domestic airlines, the small domestic airlines that will take you from those airports to the aerodrome. I have responded in detail on my website, and there's a link in the description below that you can just click on to get my full response. Okay? If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos, including these from the special Q&A series. And if this was helpful to you, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and share with someone. Thank you so much.